Hello and welcome to BVA, Brandywine Virtual Academy. We want to make sure that we set you up with tips for success. In order to be successful as a BVA student, we want to equip you with a few pillars of success. Maintain your pace, stay in touch, maintain your grades, and honor the rules. In terms of maintaining pace, you should work 1 hour per day per course, Monday through Friday, for a year-long course. If you're on a block schedule, you should work 2 hours per day per course for a semester-long course. And you should always be sure to check your progress on the Genius dashboard. Stay in the green, and we will cover this a little bit more in depth later in our training and for orientation. Stay in touch. Check your messages and email daily. Email is our best way of communicating with you at BVA. Visit the virtual office when you need help. Our teachers are always there, ready and willing to help you. Attend webinars and special events to keep you connected to others. Maintain your grades. If your teachers allow, please attempt assignments again. Always make sure you ask teachers to explain their feedback if for some reason you do not understand their feedback, and come to the virtual office to review concepts. Read the BVA policies and make sure that you have read your school district's student handbook. Mark important dates on the calendar so you are never surprised by something that may be coming up, and treat others school property with respect and care. This will help you have a successful year with BVA.